What's our order?
29.
Okay, guys.
29.
Where are we? Where are we? You tell them where are we.
24 chicken.
What 24 chicken? And the Matina, guys.
The 230 boss.
Ah, boss. I thought Digong. Digong is in the Hague.
Why? Where?
In the Hague. You know where's the Hague?
Where's Duterte?
In the Netherlands, in the Hague.
Boss number 9. Tapos na rural.
Because there's an OPT. So, licensed professional teacher. Oh, it's an OPT.
Na rural.
Professional
Na
teacher.
Mindanao Star.
Yes, there. Oh. There, guys. Oh! Bagulan di ay. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, we are back!
Okay,
Guys,
there's the...
we
okay,
have a
there's
new
the bus.
haircut. Look at me, I'm
Okay,
guapo.
Papa, there's labas now.
Yeah. Oh, there's labas.
Let's see in the window.
Whoop.
Let's see in the window. Let's see in the window.
Design? What
Let's
is
see in
the
the window.
design?
Let's see in the window first.
It's cacao.
No, it's Philippine Eagle.
Wey, I think it's cacao. Cacao man siguro ni guys. Be, let's
I
check
wanted
daw.
to see.
Let's check daw.
Oh, Philippine
Allah!
Eagle.
Philippine Eagle yun.
I guess
Daghanag labas karon guys. Oy.
it's
Mount Apo.
durian now.
Mount Apo.
Durian.
Oy, durian. This one.
Try this one.
Beach.
Because there's no
Oh,
heart.
I know. It's a beach. There's no heart.
It's a beach. And
Beach.
this one.
This one kani. Cacao.
My turn.
Cacao. I know. Cacao na. 08 is cacao.
Cacao.
08 is cacao. Bebe, tawad ako. Philippine Eagle.
Philippine Eagle.
Yes, I know. Philippine Eagle na.
Yeah, Philippine Eagle.
Grabe jud ka nice guys. Grabe. So that's it for today. How many lap?
Get on.
Guys, we go inside. Sa buhangin lang. Lang. Ayun hapon. Naman. Go. Sige. I think, ano yung first stop? Sa buhangin, level na? Okay.
Where?
Guys. I will stay here.
Ay, dito to.
Ayan na lang.
God, there's two.
Ang first stop is Laverna.
There's two. No, it's moving. It's moving.
Oh.
Next stop, Santa Ana Public Station.
Are you happy?
Santa Ana.
Jai, hello, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
We-
Already double disiplinado.
Asa ka pa dulo.
We're going to the Buhangin.
Buhangin. Then, guys, mo niya ang Davao Venue Disiplinado.
Yeah.
It's a double bus.
Sige.
It's a double bus.
Wow, look at isn't it nice?
Yeah, it's a double bus.
Yeah, we're going over
That
there.
one
Oh.
also, there's another one.
Yeah, we'll go this way na. We'll go this way. Yeah, matuyok siya.
Yan nagtulog.
Look at how spacious it is. Oh? Look at how spacious. Hi guys.
Isaac goes with the double
Yeah, before. You see?
giant.
Isn't it nice? The bus is so nice, right?
Yeah.
Guys, mo ni siyang pag-uwi bus sa Davao City. Look how high-tech is that, oh. Grabe kalimpyo. Bisag sa bus, grabe kalimpyo. Oh, na-ice cream. Unsang next stop. Sobrang carry.
There's the black tips that shop.
Yeah.
Another one, Panakan via ang yungto.
Yeah. Yeah. Dito siya mo dira.
Anak ko.
Wow. Isn't it nice? Where are you going, di ay?
You have to press the button when it stops.
Oh, lagi. Pero dili pa man tayo mag-stop. Asa ka pa dulong?
Hi.
Asa ka pa dulong?
We're going to Buhangin.
Mag-usa ka sa buhangin dong.
Because the when you disiplinado says it's Panaka via ang yungto Rojas.
Ito bala siya. Okay, bala ang ng Toroa. So,
Whoa!
We'll go
What
that
is
way.
that?
Call center.
Eagle.
Saan ang call center?
A is Mount Apo. V is Katutubo. A is Durian. O is Waling-Waling. Hi guys.
Thank you kaayo guys. Are you happy?
Yeah. station.
Ang next stop guys is Agdao. Grabe gid siya ka nice guys. Grabe. Ay medyo ka wow. High tech medyo kayo na guys. May tag malaghan pa ni ani nga bus. Diri sa Davao. No, mag-start sa Davao lagi. Sa hopefully sa other cities silang i-apply. Pero diri sa Davao, nice gid kayo siya. Nindot yun kayo siya. Oh, grabe gid ka. Luwag gid siya. Luwag kayo. Ako kayo spacious. Napadid siya yung ramp para sa mga PWD. Diri ang slot para sa mga PWD.
Disciplinado somos out and ready to go.
Kung ma-open na siya ng door diri guys, naana siya yung ramp dira o para makasaka ang wheelchair. Then diri dyan ang wheelchair o dira o spacious kayo. Then sa likod po dagan pa kayo bangko sa likod. Dagan pa kayo bangko sa likod guys.
Another Panakan
Lapit na ta sa next
Oh, the
stop.
one is turning from the right.
Yeah. Nindot and to the
Turning
left.
to the left.
Yeah. Nindot siya guys kay yeah, kung approaching na siya sa next nga stop, yeah, yung announce yun siya. Mura siya sa mga Singapore, Hong Kong, mga anak.
Let's make this the
Nindot siya. Pero ang announcement is sa mga trains is Agdao flyover ang next stop. No. The handles are the handles are only for the standing passengers. If the bus is already full, the seating capacity is already full, there is also a stop button guys. Kung gusto ka mo stop sa next stop, press nimo ang stop button.
Look at the screen, look at the TV na buwan ng
Na ay mga
disciplinado.
na ay mga announcements sa screens. Next stop is Addis Agdao flyover. Almost there. It's really nice. Oh, na announcement.
Arriving.
Agdao
Agdao
flyover.
flyover station.
Yeah, where you see?
Maayong pag-abot sa Agdao flyover station.
Oh, diba? Na siya English guys, na-upload siya ay Bisaya. So makita nimo dito no, ambot kita ba? So naay bus stop na gyud siya.
That one, right
Kita
there.
gyud mo mo ni
They
bus
need to
stop.
get inside.
You see, napoy mga
Diba? Para sa
okay. Keep quiet ba? Alright guys. Oh, dool na punta. Next stop kay Shell. Wow. One na gyud siya guys. Na gyud siya designated nga bus stop. Di gyud ka pwede mo hunong nga bisag asa. Hindi siya designated bus stop niya guys. Oh, dili pwede mo hunong anywhere. So, na gyud siya bus stop which is nindot kay Otra. PMC na po Shell. There.
Arriving.
Oh, see?
Shell STMC station.
Nara guys. So,
Maayong pag-abot sa Shell STMC station.
so dara guys. Oh, nagyod siya signage yun ay bus stop. So wala Cebu Hospital lana. So nindot yun siya guys. Grabe yun ka na siya diri sa Davao guys. So, grabe pura buyag yun kayo nga syudad guys. Muna daggan kayo nagdumot diri ba? Oh, tawagod na oh. Grabe ka nice. Hi guys. Tamang basura diya. Wala. Wa mo makitaan basura diya. Peaceful pag yung kaayo. Pero buyag. Lindot yun pag dumala ni sa mga Duterte. Ah, sige, pag bash na pud mo. Yaw-yaw na pud mo diya. Wa mi labot. Wa mi el. Basta kami peaceful living mi dire. Nice kayo oh. Diba? Karon, siya naman. Siya naman, ano na naman yung masasabi niyo? Wala na po. Nga.
Hello, BYD.
Hanggang nga na lang kayo dyan. Alright, bye-bye.